In the world of modern technology, AI art tools are changing the game for artists and creators. These tools bring still images to life, adding motion and even placing them in 3D settings. This innovation isn't just for professionals. It opens up exciting possibilities for anyone interested in art, design, social media, or filmmaking. Not too long ago, turning still images into moving animations was a complex and technical task. It required specialized skills and often involved using complicated software. But things have changed. Thanks to new AI tools, the process has become much easier, accessible, and user-friendly. Regardless of your technical background, you can now use these AI solutions to bring your digital artwork to life. One fantastic tool at your disposal is Leia Pics, a robust and user-friendly platform that lets you create captivating depth animations from images. The best part, it's absolutely free. With Leia Pics, you can unleash your imagination by customizing every detail, from adjusting the animation cycle length to choosing the animation method that suits your vision. Imagine taking a static image and transforming it into a mesmerizing visual experience. That's the magic of Leia Pics. It's like adding a sprinkle of fairy dust to your art, making it come alive in ways you never thought possible. But we're not done yet. For our mobile users out there, we have a nifty app called CapCut. This handy tool allows you to apply a 3D zoom effect to your images, and let me tell you, this effect has become a hot trend on social media platforms. It's like giving your images a dynamic twist that'll make them stand out in a sea of visuals. With CapCut, your images will pop and capture your audience's attention like never before. It's the perfect way to add that extra wow factor to your AI art. Now here's a hidden gem for you, Pika. This user-friendly tool is designed to simplify the animation process. All you need to do is type in the type of movement you want, upload your image, and let Pika work its magic. It's like having your personal AI assistant, and guess what? It's part of a Discord channel and freely accessible to the public, so there's no excuse not to give it a try. Next up, we have a game changer called InstaVerse, brought to you by the genius minds at 𝗙𝗵𝗶𝗍𝗏. This tool is nothing short of magic. It has the power to transform ordinary 2D images into immersive 3D environments that will leave your audience spellbound. But here's the trick, you'll need a depth map to make this work, and that's where Leia Pics comes into play. It conveniently creates those depth maps for you, setting the stage for a mind-blowing visual experience. Imagine taking your static images and turning them into immersive worlds that your audience can explore. InstaVerse is your gateway to creating art that goes beyond the screen, and it's a game changer for anyone looking to add that extra layer of depth to their AI art. But when it comes to character animation, animated drawings from Meta is your secret weapon. It's the go-to tool for breathing life into character drawings. Just make sure your characters are on a white background with separate invisible limbs, and you're ready to roll. With animated drawings, your characters will dance, walk, and come to life in ways you've only dreamed of. It's like having your very own animation studio at your fingertips, and the possibilities are limitless. Now let's talk about Genmo, a platform that offers a slightly different approach to animating your AI art images. Genmo is all about flexibility, offering you two distinct ways to bring your creations to life. The first method is the traditional one, upload an image and request it to be animated. It's straightforward and effective. But here's where Genmo gets really interesting. It offers a unique chat feature that lets you interact with your image, directing the animation in real time. It's like having a conversation with your artwork, and the results are nothing short of mesmerizing. And if you're looking to add a personal touch to your animations, 𝗙𝗏 and HeyGen have got you covered. These are speaking avatar creation tools that specialize in animating faces and giving your AI influencers a voice. With 𝗙𝗏 and HeyGen, you can bring your AI influencers to life by adding voiceovers. You can either write a script or upload audio, allowing your creations to speak and connect with your audience in a whole new way. It's about adding that human touch to your digital personas. Now we're about to elevate your AI art to new heights with a powerful tool called Runway. While it's a paid tool, the results are nothing short of extraordinary, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about their AI art. The Runway is your ticket to transforming static images into mesmerizing videos. It's like giving your art a dynamic, cinematic twist. Now you might wonder what sets Runway apart. Well, it's all about the quality. While Runway might offer limited control over the output, it consistently produces high-quality results. It's like having a professional touch to your AI art, ensuring that every frame shines with brilliance. If you're aiming for excellence in your AI art, Runway is the tool that will take you there. Now take a moment to absorb this. There has never been a better time to animate your AI art images. The digital landscape is brimming with an array of tools that empower you to create vibrant animated content that's not just engaging, but also immersive. Think about it, whether you're creating content for social media, diving into the world of AI films, or simply seeking personal entertainment, the possibilities are endless. Your creativity is the only limit. Each tool we've explored today adds a unique layer of magic to your AI art. From transforming images into immersive 3D environments with InstaVerse to bringing character drawings to life with animated drawings, and even having interactive conversations with your creations using Genmo, the world of AI art is brimming with possibilities. And let's not forget DID and HeyGen, where you can give your AI influencers a voice and a personality that resonates with your audience. It's about adding that human touch to your digital personas. Now with Runway in the mix, you have the power to turn your AI art images into stunning videos that captivate and inspire. It's like giving your art the ability to tell stories and connect with your viewers on a deeper level. These AI tools do more than just make simple animations. They open up a world of creative options, allowing you to create different types of content, like GIFs and short videos, with ease. With just a few clicks, your flat AI art can become a dynamic masterpiece that grabs people's attention and sparks their imagination in ways that static images simply can't. By following these steps, you'll learn how to use these tools effectively, allowing you to turn your static images into lively, animated artworks. Whether you're an artist looking to expand your creative horizons, a designer wanting to add more dynamic elements to your work, or simply someone who's excited about the possibilities of these new tools, these tools are a valuable resource. The age of creating art with AI is here, and it's here to stay. With easy-to-use tools and a comprehensive tutorial, you have everything you need to explore a world of creative expression and imagination. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our AI adventures.